Yeah, but that one, oh my god, I feel amazing, First one, after my first treatment, when I went back home, everybody was like, oh my god, your teeth are so white. How do you brush your teeth? What toothpaste do you use? Because they just look so nice and natural. You can't even tell that they were fixed. As you can see them, you see that beautiful smile? Is what I get from here, and I have more confidence now to talk to people and show my teeth. Even though now we have to wear masks, so now nobody can see, but sometimes I pull down the mask just to show them and say, look at that. They say, oh my god, your teeth. I say, yeah, and then I wear my mask back. And then I feel very good, like it's very nice, and I have more confidence now to talk to people and show my teeth, like, I don't have any fear or any shy. I have more confidence about my smile, and I love it. I find Myra on Instagram, and I WhatsApp her, and then she just replied me less than 5 minutes, and I was very impressed. I was like, oh, that's very quick. And I told her that I want to change my teeth, and then she said, okay, just send your pictures to me, we'll look after you. I said, oh, thank you. And then I just forward my pictures, and that's how we started. My teeth was very bad, and I show the pictures to Myra, and then they say, yeah, no problem, we'll look after that. It was just like, feel free, like friendly stuff, everybody were nice, warm welcome. Yeah, so they just give me a very good confidence, like, that I am safe and they will look after me very well. I first my appointment where I came, and then they did a checkup, put me on the x-ray, and then they take the pictures, and then they show me that this is how my teeth look. And then after that, they told me that I need 6 implants, and then they're going to fix the other ones, which were 14. And then I did the 14 ones, the first one, and then after I did the implant for my second treatment, and I feel so good. And for the first treatment was very good because they gave me very good painkillers, and they look after me, they keep checking on me. Even when I went back home, they were still contacting me to see how I feel, to check on me all the time, and they're just very good and so kind, and I was just happy. And now I finally done for my last visits, for my last treatment, and then now everything is done and I'm happy. So the second treatment was my last implant, so which I had 6 altogether, my jaws, and then I came back to fix my last 6 for my implant. And then I didn't feel nothing about the implant, and I didn't even take any injections before they put the implant. Everything was just natural feeling, and they told me that I can go and eat anything I want. And then I went home to the hotel last night, and then I ate like a horse, ate everything, trying my teeth, and nothing pain, everything was fine. I wake up, I look myself in the mirror, I say, oh yeah, my teeth are complete. I was so impressed and so happy, and I love my beautiful smile, my new look, my new teeth, they're so nice. Oh, I just want to tell all the staff from Myra that, oh my God, God should bless them. He should bring more people for them because they are very, very good. I want to say big thanks to them and big love, big hugs of love. I love Myra because you see what I have, my beautiful smile. I'm just so happy. I'm top of the moon the way I am with this smile. So don't hesitate, just give Myra contacts. If you are looking for a number, just check me on Instagram. I tell you where to go. Everything is nice. They pick you up from the airport. They look after you straight to the hotel, transport, everything. You just feel free, safe, and it's just nice. And the weather is lovely here. And if you want to come, change your mind, your smile, come over. Myra, I love you so much. You are the best dentist. Anyone who's looking to come and fix their teeth, don't go anywhere. Come here to Antalya. That's where it's happening. You see here, this is real. This is real, as you see. You see? So come over here. Come and fix your teeth to Myra. I give Myra 10 out of 10. recommended for anybody in the world that you should come over here. As you can see, Maya, and then you have a beautiful smile after that, and you have confidence to talk to people, to approach anybody. You see, even your manager at work, anybody, like you don't have any fear to talk to anybody, and you feel more happy, and it's lovely.